Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Today we'll be making mashed yam. Check it out.
Okay, so what I have 2 pounds of renta yam, 3 tablespoons of oil. Now you can use either coconut oil, olive oil, or whatever oil of your choice. I have 5 garlic cloves, some fresh basil leaves, and I have about 2.5 teaspoons of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, but you can use vegetable seasoning if you prefer, and I have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and get the yam peel. So after peeling the yam, we want to go ahead and cut them in a smaller pieces so that they will cook up quick. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish peeling the yam and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so I've finished peeling the yam, and as you notice, I have them in a bowl of water. So we're gonna go ahead now and get these cooked up. So right here I have a pot of boiling water, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place the yam into the pot of boiling water. Yes, so basically all you just need enough water to cover the yam, and then I'm gonna add some salt to the water and allow the yams to cook until they're tender, soft and tender. So guys, our yam has been cooking for 20 minutes now, covered, and I've just removed the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and test the yam to see if it's well cooked. If you notice, the yam pieces are very soft, so we're just gonna go ahead and remove it from the stove. So let's prepare our flavored oil. So in a small pan, I'm going to go ahead and add the oil. It's the 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to go ahead and add the fresh basil with a crush to release the oil. Go ahead now and add the garlic cloves. I'm just going to peel the garlic, all the garlic cloves. I'm just using a potato masher to mash the garlic cloves. Now another way that you can do the garlic, you can just keep them in the husk and just go ahead and crush them. Now after crushing, you can easily remove the husk. See? That's pretty quick, right? So let's go ahead and place this over medium heat and let the oil suck up all the flavor of the garlic and the basil. So our oil has been infused with the garlic and the basil. So I'm just going to go ahead now and toss in the spices so they can toast up a bit. Give that a mix. Guys, I wish you could smell this. Smell really lovely. So once you notice that the garlic start to brown, start to get golden, and the basil has been wilted, you're going to go ahead now and remove this from the stove. So with a potato masher or a fork, go ahead and mash the yam. And what I did, I went ahead and drain off the water from the yam, and I'm just going to go ahead and crush them up. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the herbs from the flavored oil, because we don't want anyone biting into any garlic while they're eating this yam mash. So we're just going to go ahead and remove all the garlic pieces and the basil. And we can leave these small pieces in there if we want, or just remove them. Let's go ahead and pour this into our mashed yam. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wish you could smell this. All right. So there we have it. So let's go ahead now and mix everything up. Look at that, guys. Look at that. 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 Yes. So creamy. So let's give that a taste. That's perfect. That's perfect. Perfect. So let's go ahead now and plate this up. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look creamy? And there is no butter in here. No butter. No mayonnaise. So to all my friends out there who don't like mayonnaise, don't like butter, this would be perfect for you. Sometimes it's good to treat the body, you know? Yes. So let's see what we have here. Alright, let's sprinkle some fresh basil on top. This look pretty. Look at that, 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 look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes. Yes, guys, yes, guys, yes, yes, yes. So I hope you guys give this a try. And don't forget, if you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment so we can chat. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipe. Yes, more simple recipes. Thanks for watching. Peace.